A wonderful good day, and welcome to another new video. Today we've got this BMW 4 Series. There are the F33, F32, and F36, and on this one we're going to replace the door handle. So this is what it looks like, and how you can change it quite quickly, right? Basically, it's the same for every door. On a 4-door, it's the same for each door, and yeah, we'll show you how to swap it out. All the important tools. Basically, you only need an Allen key. Are down in the video description. I'd say, let's get started. We're going to do it like this. So when we remove the gasket, we can look at an Allen screw. Then we take a 4mm Allen key. Put this one right on here. And take the whole thing off then. When we take this off, it'll stay caught in there. Then it goes on like this. Then that comes out, the light stays in. Here you can see the screw. Now all we have to do is this. You can push it a little to the side, and then we've got the door handle in our hand. The whole thing goes backwards again. Now we take the same Allen wrench and pull at the very back. The clip. Where it's supposed to go, bend it a little. So then it's already nicely sitting in there. We can pop that back in too. And afterwards, put the piece back in and screw it back in from here. Wonderful. And as you can see, it all works perfect. That's how quick and easy. You can swap a door handle, really, as you'd expect. It's the same with all the other door handles. A bit annoying to get the whole thing in properly, but it actually works. Use a hook or an Allen key or something to pull the whole thing in a bit. Yeah. All the buy links are down in the video description. I've got the other side here. You can actually see the whole thing. How it's put together. So on the other side, you can see the Allen screw. You just have to unscrew it. Yeah, and this one you just have to push in a bit to get the handle properly seated in its place right now. It's a little bit awkward to get at. This exact little piece is missing. Well, that's how it looks. So, if you liked the video or it helped you out, you can subscribe to the channel for free so you won't miss any videos, or can find the channel again where you watch the video or how something's swapped. All important buy links are in the video description. You can also get all the tools with the discount code VITAWOLF at XXL Automotive. Well, I'd say see you next time. Bye for now then.